All right. You guys want to know what we're doing?
Yeah.
Right. Well, we're diving at Mothra, which is another one of our vent fields at the main Endeavour field. It's another hydrothermal vents galore. This one is called Faulty Towers is the big one here, which are these, they're huge. I mean, they're up to 30 meters high. That's right. They're like giant chimneys. And we're going to be reinstalling another bars like we did last night. We installed 2 last night at main Endeavour field, but there's one down on the bottom here.
That was so much fun, we just have to do it again.
Yeah. Oh, we had a few of them that were offline for various reasons. This one actually slipped down a slope, and so the probe pulled out. So we've replaced it, but did not install due to a tight timeline in June when we were out here. So we've got the bead bags on the porch piled up super high for there's a broadband seismometer here because there was a short period seismometer installed in a rock drilled hole. It had a failure, and so we brought down a broadband seismometer to replace it, which sits on the surface. So we're going to be trying to stabilize that a little bit better. We're going to install the bars. There's a camera down here that we're going to, it's a video camera that we're going to slightly reposition, put an experiment next to it as well. It's a larval tube trap. Unfortunately, the PI for that, for us, for Ocean Networks Canada, is Fabio. He's on shore. We might be able to do some push cores. They're there as well. And a little bit of, we'll do gas tight again with the bars. And then possibly we might move a cable if we have some time. But we're going to try to push this pretty quick so that we can be ready to dive at RC North early in the morning to recover a mooring at first light, to be able to dive second time at RC North to recover a second mooring. And that will wrap us up for Endeavour, and then we'll head off to Cascadia Basin to deploy a hydrophone, potentially on our way back in to rendezvous with the world's largest cable ship for a dual ship operation at the Barkley Canyon node. How's that sound for a lot of stuff in 48 hours? No comments from the gallery.
We all simultaneously shook our heads, though.
Yeah, it's a lot. We're doing pretty good, though. The weather's been great out here. It's amazing how wonderful it is, which, knock on wood, it stays that way for a couple more days, like about a week. ONC is actually going to be out here in the Northwest Pacific until the second week of October. So we've had back-to-back cruises. We've got people here on the Nautilus. Some of us, 3 of us, will be carrying on to the Coast Guard ship Tully. And then, as I said, the Cable Innovator, which is owned by Global Marine out of England, they also will be joining us in 3 days. So it all wouldn't happen without all the staff back on shore, which there's just a few of us out here, and there's a whole bunch of them back on shore watching and hoping to for us to have success out here, while they get other things ready for future cruises back on shore. That's about it.
Seems to be blooming a lot. Interesting.
So we're not quite halfway through our vertical transect, so we're going down at a 10 meters per minute.
Is this meant to be the entire descent or just some?
1,000 meters. So in this case, just a little under halfway down. So this is to give the scientists a look at what's in the water column as we go down. What sort of critters. We keep looking for the Kraken. We haven't seen it yet, but you never know what you can see as you come up and down. I think the Nautilus has had some great experiences seeing things that
Kraken is now in Seattle. That's the Seattle hockey team.
Look at the utility. Has that camera moved a bit? I don't remember that gauge in the back being
Yeah, looks like it has a bit, eh?
obscured.
Yep. Thought you had it left.
Yeah, I thought it did too.
What are you looking for?
Pen.
Oh, I have one I can lend you.
Always a mistake.
You guys have the nice pointy pen, don't you?
We had it.
Had it.
Head.
And that was a good pen. Does Mike have it?
I got this. Sitting on it.